How to register a domain name. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video I'm going to show you my favorite domain name registrar. I'm going to register a new domain, and I'm going to show you how to change name servers and why you need to. So why do I like Namecheap? Firstly, super cheap domains. I bought domains for just 48 cents and 1 year domain privacy. Really, it doesn't matter too much which domain registrar you use. I'm going to register clickywebsites.com. I'll order and pay for it, and then I'll be back. But before I get into it, I wanted to take a step back and explain why I'm making this video. Firstly, this video is a part of a series of videos where I show you exactly how to make a Clicky website with WordPress. I've laid out my entire process in easy to follow mind map with process notes and the Clicky website templates. If you'd like a free copy, just head on over to my website by clicking the link that will appear. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to register a domain name at Namecheap. So the first thing you want to do is create a new account at namecheap.com. So username and password, your first name, last name, email address, and then create account and continue. Once you create a new account, if you simply go to domain name search, I'm going to go clickywebsites.com, and that's available, so you can just add to cart. I'm going to get the .com over there. So once you've added it to the cart, it will now be available within your account and your dashboard. There it is. You just click on manage. And then on name servers, you want to click on the little drop down. You want to click custom DNS, and then you're going to want to copy your name servers into 1 and 2, and then click this little tick to save those off. Remember, if you want to get a copy of my free mind map, process notes, and the Clicky website templates, then just head on over to my website to download it. There's a lot of back-end work and plugins that go into setting up a Clicky website. I do offer a paid service to do everything for you. If that's of interest, you can email me at ryan@clickywebsites.com or visit my website. I regularly add new videos to my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get them as soon as possible. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to make.